Hey everybody, happy Friday to you. It is a lovely, lovely Friday here. I hope it's lovely wherever you are. We've got a little bit of sun, a little bit of low humidity right this minute, and I'm enjoying the morning in the office. So I hope wherever you guys are, you are enjoying the day as well. I have two new 5x7 journals to go into the shop today. So I wanted to take you through these. There's just something about this little 5x7 size that I love, love, love. I guess because this is how I started. This was the size of book that I made when I very, very first started making journals, and they were just a lot of fun to do. And so it's been fun, to kind of go back and revisit my first journals. I think I've been doing this for about 6 years now, so it's just been really fun to revisit this size. This is a quilted cover. I have been crediting Miss Cheryl with these quilted covers, but I gotta tell you guys, Miss Cheryl told me, she said, I got to come clean. She said, I didn't make those covers. And it wasn't that she was being deceptive at all. She was just like, she's been really, really busy. So she hasn't been like checking out my videos and stuff. And then she said, I didn't make those. I said, well, where did they come from? She said, I picked up all those quilted tops at a thrift store. I was like, what? So to me, it lends everything just, you got kind of this magical thing going on. Who made these covers and how did they end up in a thrift store? So to me, there's like already a story going on just with the cover of the book. Of course, we've got 8 pockets chock full of fun for you guys. The pockets do have, I think they're like 7 or 8 pieces, as well as a fun little kit for you to play with. Each book has 4 kits in it. Some fabric swatches. I love using fabric in books. I think it's really fun to use a piece of fabric as a page in a book. So let's think about the things that you could do, guys. You could make cards out of these. As a matter of fact, if we kind of just look at these pieces right here, this would make a fabulous card. Look at that. This is from a cover of a magazine. Chris has also been cleaning out along with my de-stashing of everything. So this would make like a really sweet card, and you could do white pen on it or something like that. We do have a bit of coffee dyed paper for you. Coffee dye is very it's inspirational, and it also has this wonderful scent. Another pocket full of things for you to play with. Remember too, you guys, you can pull an entire... Okay, do you see how this is going to work? I'm not going to pull it all the way out, but do you see what's happening here? You can pull out an entire signature, and that signature can be, I don't know, like a round robin. You can mail it to somebody, and you guys can just work on a signature together. Or you can use this as a journal. You can use it as a writing journal, as a sketching journal. You can use it as a list journal. You can use it as a commonplace journal, a daily journal. You can use it as a planner. It's got 4 sections, so you could do like a seasonal planner, September, October, November, December, that sort of thing. The book is really designed for collage and art trading card making, art trading coin making, very basically mixed media design of any sort that you want to do is applicable with all of the elements in this book and the embellishments as well. You've got images, you've got papers, different weights, different media in these books. There are stickers in here, photographs, old text pages. You've got napkins that, we just love napkins for collage, especially the decorative napkins. I mean, who would have ever thought that, years ago we would be using napkins, in our art. This book is called... This is called Flower Power. I'm digging on all the flowers here. I think this little little bear with the red hat. He's a honey bear, so he's hunting some honey right there. I thought that was a sweet little image. This one is Flower Power 2. I'll show you the spine. It does have 2 gemstone beads at the end of the bead spine right here. Thought that was really fun. I did put one of Michelle's beautiful rolled paper beads right here. So let's take a look and see what we have here. You can see the pockets are, stuffed for sure. I love that you have stuff in the pocket as well as a small kit. And the cool thing about kits, y'all, is you can just take it right out of the bag, out of the book. You can put it on your desk, and this can be your warm up or your cool down. Warm up in the morning, cool down in the evening, or maybe because the kids are going back to school, maybe that is your coffee craft for the morning, and you'll just have a way to start your day after the kids go back to school in a very creative way. I'm trying to see what my dog's doing. Oh, okay, she's laying down. You've got fabric right here. Lots of beautiful papers, and I do try to curate the colors here with your papers and your fabric. Some old recipe books. Just really fun things to play with here. Stuffed pocket. I thought that stencil, that old paper stencil, really looked pretty in here. I have all of these things to play with. A little bit of magazine. Some old black and white photographs that I clipped from a magazine. And butterfly stickers. National Geographic magazines and maps. And this one is called Flower Power 2. I have these already listed in the Etsy store. I will go ahead and attach the video to the listing, and they're ready to roll. They're $35 and $10 to ship. Thanks for hanging out. Have a sweet Friday. Talk to you soon. Bye.